Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone again in our second part about the error of dangling modifiers. We said when we say dangling modifiers we mean a word or a phrase, clear, which usually comes at the beginning of a sentence separated by a comma, okay, but the word it modifies is missing, okay, it lacks especially the subject in the main clause, clear. So it's a modifier without any word to modify, or with the wrong word to modify. Good. Now we have three major cases only as examples, right? And also as a kind of practice about these type of errors and how to correct it. We have three major types of dangling modifiers. Number one, we have dangling participle phrases. Okay, it means phrase at the beginning of a sentence which starts with what? Past participle or present participle. I mean stem plus ing, present participle. Now let's take this example. Smoking my cigar, comma, my car, or a car came roaring around the corner. So here I have smoking my cigar is my dangling participle phrase which acts as an adjective. Normally expect to find after the comma the word it really modifies. Clear? So smoking of course cannot relate to a car. Car does not smoke. So here the real subject is missing. Clear? So we can correct it following two main ways. First, I will turn the dangling participle phrase into an adverbial phrase, and I will include in it my subject, which is missing, and the verb also. And I write when I was smoking my cigar, comma, a car came roaring around the corner. So here I have at the beginning an adverbial clause changed from the old dangling phrase. Clear? And second one is also my main clause. Clear? Or also I can provide my subject clearly right in the main clause, and I write smoking my cigar, I saw a car roaring around the corner. Here I used I right after the comma, which is modified now clearly by smoking my car. Clear? My car. Good. Now second also major type of dangling modifiers as phrases, we have the dangling gerund phrase. When we say gerund, I mean it acts usually as a modifier which consists of stem plus ing. Stem plus ing, right, usually as an adjective, usually. Good. And for example, we have this example. After drilling my tooth, drilling means making a hole, comma, my cavity, emptiness space, stopped aching. My cavity stopped aching. So here I have after drilling my tooth, my cavity. Normally I must find the subject, right, which is related to drilling. It's a person normally, not a space, emptiness, not a word, not an object or something. Clear? So here I must fix this error by always turning first my dangling gerund phrase into an adverbial clause, providing within it my subject clearly and my verb. And I write after the dentist had drilled, first action, had drilled my tooth, comma, my cavity stopped aching. I leave second part as it is. Clear? I changed only the first part to be an adverbial clause. Right. Or also I can use second way by mentioning at the missing subject clearly at the beginning after the comma in the main clause. After the comma at the beginning of the main clause, and I write, after drilling my tooth, comma, the dentist stopped my cavity from aching. The dentist stopped. So here dentist is clearly modified and related with drilling. Okay, because the one who drilled is dentist. Clearly. Good. Now also third type of dangling phrases and modifiers. We have the dangling infinitive phrase. Infinitive phrase which starts of course with 2 plus 10. 2 plus 10. An example, to become a doctor, comma, aptitude and hard work are required. To become a doctor, who? Normally you find at the comma, noun of a person, which is referred to, which is modified by the act of becoming a doctor. Clear? But here we have aptitude and, hard work to abstract nouns, not noun of a person. So here we have a missing subject. Good. We also correct this mistake by turning the first part, the dangling infinitive phrase, into an adverbial clause, and I write, of course, including my subject clearly and my verb in it. If you want to become a doctor, if you want to become a doctor, clear, comma, right, aptitude and hard work are required. Now here I have a complex sentence. Okay, the first part adverbial, second part my independent and main clause. Or also you can say, if you want to be or to become a doctor, comma, you need aptitude and hard work. Clear? Right, and hard work if you want. Clear? Second way also of correction for this dangling infinitive phrase is by providing, the missing subject at the beginning of my main clause, right after the comma. Clear? And I write, to become a doctor, one needs aptitude and hard work. One needs attitude and hard work. Or if you want to vary your sentence, you can write, for example, to become a doctor, comma, one needs to have aptitude and to work hard. Clear? And to work hard. Right, so these are the two major ways of correcting the dangling modifier error. Clear? By turning the dangling phrase into an adverbial clause that includes subject and verb, or also by going to the main clause and putting the missing subject right after the comma. Clear? After the comma. So, thank you so much and see you in another error, okay, about always modifiers. Take care.